All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to break a shape apart using the scissors tool. Pretty easy way to do it, but up here you'll see scissors here. You can just press C on your keyboard if you need to get it, and because there are other tools hidden in there. So we got our scissors tool, and well, first of all, we want to make sure we have our selection, and you're going to see these anchor points. That's what you're going to click on with your scissor tool. So take our scissors tool, click this one, let's say, and then over here, I'm just going to click on this one. Those two. So now you see how it deselected everything else. Going to hit my selection tool. Now I can grab that and move it over. Now we've got two sections. However, you'll see here, these aren't closed. So what I mean by that is if I was to add an outline to this, you're going to see that it does not go all the way around because it's not closed. So I'm going to hit my stroke palette real quick just to give you an example here. See that? So what you want to do here is you're going to want to close this. You can grab the direct selection tool here and grab that anchor point, hold shift, and then you can grab that one, and you can simply hit Command J, which is join, or object, path, and join, right? And then you have it closed. So, I mean, that's the best way to do it. You can also use the pen tool, which is a little more manual, and just click on one, go over here, and click on the other one. That's kind of more used for when you're drawing these things from scratch. But anyways, that's the basics of cutting a shape out with a part of a shape out with the scissors tool. You can note too that there is, I'm going to join these real quick. There is other ones in here that are way more not precise. You can just cut this thing in half, and literally it just drew the path on there for you, and you can go over there and remove part of it. But it's not very accurate. You know, it's just like that's as accurate as your mouse, your hand and mouse can move, really. And then there's an eraser tool that does similar things too. You can just erase stuff off, and it'll give you. Oh, whoops! This is not a closed path. That's why that's not working. This is. See that? So, got to close your paths for these things to work correctly. But that's breaking them up in a nutshell. But yeah, scissors tool is very accurate. Just click on a point, another point, and then you can remove that section. Just make sure you close it by joining them. Hope that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.